thank you so much to our sponsors, Liberty. Right, guys, there's about 7 minutes left, so let's make this count. Let's now look at 2.5. After the physical stock count, the owner discovered 2 laptops were missing. Investigations revealed it was from the last purchase made. So remember, the last purchase was in the month of February. Calculate the value for inventory that will appear in the balance sheet as at 31st of May 2014, assuming that the business is using the FIFO method, and this is for 4 marks. Right, so looking at the value of our inventory at the moment, I've just written it down so I don't have to go back to the very first question. So remember, using the FIFO method, your closing stock is currently sitting at 1,013,225. So at the moment, this is the value of closing stock, which obviously will be taken to the balance sheet. Now remember, guys, according to your GAAP principle of prudence, right, you've got to state your closing stock according to a physical stock count. So in other words, if there's stock missing, obviously the value of your stock now needs to decrease. You cannot show the book value of your closing stock or the book value of your stock in the balance sheet. It's got to be the physical value, what you physically have. So we've got to now calculate what is the value of the stock that is missing. Okay, so remember, there were 2 laptops that went missing, and this was from the month of February's purchase. Right, so let's go to our table so we can do the calculation. So we've got 2 laptops that are missing, and in February we paid 4,200, but remember there's also that additional 35 Rand for your delivery cost. So 2 times 4,235, and that will give us the value of the 2 laptops that are missing. So let's do that on our calculator. 2 times 4,235, and our deficit or stock that is missing 8,470. Okay, so let's go back to our answer sheet. Okay, let's just go back. Right, so remember, guys, we are now going to subtract the amount of 8,470 because this obviously decreases the value of our stock. Okay, so in our balance sheet, stock will be shown at a value of, let's just quickly clear that. So we've got 1,013,225 minus 8,470, and that gives us an amount of 4,755. Okay, so that was quite easy for 4 marks. Right, we've got the last few minutes left, so let's see if we can quickly do the last question. So the last question wants us to, right, 2.6, as internal auditor, you are responsible to monitor and continually update the internal controls over stock. The business does stock takes regularly, suggests 2 other control measures that should be implemented. Okay, and this is for 4 marks. Right, now guys, you know, often when we're marking, we find that students always want to recommend put cameras in place that protects your stock. I do agree, but remember, sometimes think about it carefully instead of simply writing down place cameras. So if you're writing down place cameras, make sure you are specific. So place cameras in the storeroom so that stock can be monitored, or people that go in and out of the storeroom can be monitored. Now remember, laptop is quite bulky, it's quite big. Some of them obviously not that big anymore, but someone can easily hide a laptop. So think think a bit more. How would you protect the stock from being stolen? So the first thing, you need to ensure that not everyone has access to the storeroom. Okay, so limit access to the storeroom. Right, so there may be just one person or two people in the store that would be responsible for having access to the storeroom. Right, then when stock is delivered, remember, stock can be stolen or stock can go missing during delivery of stock. So ensure that whatever is on the invoice, right, the source document, it matches the physical stock that arrives, or whatever is on the delivery note matches the physical stock that arrives. So you've got someone counting the stock and comparing that stock to the invoice. And like I said, yes, you can talk about cameras, right? But don't just write down cameras. Make sure you explain. So remember, guys, cameras, install cameras in the storeroom where the stock is being kept. Okay, right, so we've got a few seconds left, and I think that's it as far as the question is concerned, which is fantastic. We managed to finish the question. Guys, please remember, this particular section will definitely be in your exam. Please make sure that you practice, because it's not difficult. It's quite easy to get part marks. Often we find students do not show calculations. So please make sure that you are showing your calculations, because in the event of a mistake, right, which can happen, remember, you still can get part marks. Okay, right, so I think that's it from me. And I want to take this opportunity to once again thank Liberty, our sponsors. And guys, please remember, you've got to download, if you haven't already, download the Tenfold education app. Practice your accounting. Good luck for the upcoming exams, which I know accounting is a while from now, but good luck for the rest of your exams. From me, Mehesh Lal, it's goodbye, God bless, and stay safe.